Ready to learn how to create a journal to sell using Canva without needing Amazon KDP? A couple of weeks ago, I put out a book showing you how to create a printed hard copy journal, and a few of you requested the digital printable version. So in this video, I want to show you how to create an electronic version of a journal. This is called a printable using Canva without needing Amazon KDP. Now, if you're wondering why I'm advocating to not use Amazon KDP, make sure you watch my I Quit Amazon KDP video where I explain to you I quit Amazon KDP because they take 65% of the sale. I don't want that anymore. So now I just sell on my own platform. If you want to know how to build your own author platform step by step, I have a free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge where I show you how to do it. Go to christianbusinesstoolkit.com or click the link in the description box of this video. Step number 1 for how to create a journal to sell using Canva without using Amazon KDP is to, of course, choose your niche. Choose your niche. Now, if this is your first video on my channel, I'm going to tell you, a niche is one of the most important parts of your author journey because you are going to build a brand identity as an author, whether you intend to or not. Your brand, it just refers to your reputation, what you become known for as an author. People don't just buy books. They buy solutions to their problems in the form of a book. So if you can become known as the go-to expert at solving a problem, your brand will always outperform anybody else in your category. That's why I don't believe there's really competition as an author, because your brand will make room for you. So we have to build a brand intentionally, and we do that by choosing our niche first. Even if it's just a printable journal, right? People think journals are just like this easy, even in a printable journal, you gotta have a niche that solves a specific problem. You just got to. So because we are doing a printable journal, one of the places that sells a lot of digital journals is Etsy.com. So I'm actually going to search over here. So go to Etsy.com and just search for printable journal and hit enter. And you see on the right here where it says most relevant, select that and then do top reviews. So you can get the most best-selling stuff. So bestseller, self-discovery workbook bundle, inner child workbook, existential therapy, self-worth, mindfulness. I'm obsessed. A self-discovery journal sounds so good for somebody like me. A gardening journal, pre-made journal bundle. So this is just basically like a bullet journal for the year. A mindset journal. Ooh, oh, a money mindset journal. Ooh, I like that. Let's see. iPhone of roses. These are just pages. Printable vintage diary. That is brilliant. This is a bestseller. Oh my gosh, 54,000 guys. I might do this. Look how pretty this is. It really does look very vintagey. Okay, let me keep going. A water tracker journal, printable journal cards, self-care journal. A reading journal. Okay, since my niche is for authors and most authors read because we obviously are obsessed with books. So I might do a reading journal. I'm going to do a reading journal for mine. But go ahead and go through and see which best-selling journal types fit your niche. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. I want to use this. Okay, I'll see you in the next step. Step number 2 for how to create a journal to sell using Canva without using Amazon KDP is to choose your template in Canva to design with. Choose your template in Canva to design with. Now, fun fact, if you're doing a printable journal, right? So a printable, that's an electronic version that somebody can print out on their own computer. You want to use 8.5 by 11 templates. I know. Sometimes we want to design 6 by 9, 7 by 10, 8 by 8. I get it. But this is a download for somebody to print out and use. So we have to be cognizant of that. We have to make sure we design with the right template. Good news, Canva has them for you. Just go into Canva, search for the design template, and then format it to 8.5 by 11. So to create a printable reading journal, I recommend just using canva.com. They've got free stuff. So go to canva.com. I'm going to type in reading journal, and I'm going to select Canva templates and just hit enter. Ooh, look at this. It's pretty. I'm just going to click this real quick just because it's so pretty. But usually you hit enter and then select the one that you like. This might be, look at this. Okay. This is amazingly gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of obsessed with this. It's like that vintagey look. So reading journal from the library of, and I'll just delete that because somebody can just put in their name there. Table of contents, book goals, books to read, reading tracker, book review, my favorite things, reading motivation, book goals. This is great. Books to read. This is great. Daily tracker of this month. This is great. Book review. Ah, love, 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 love. I do think though this should be printed. This is so pretty. Reading is a wonderful way to broaden your knowledge, magic, whether it's fiction or nonfiction. That's true vocabulary with so many before reading topics. Okay. Yeah. So that was easy. They had everything. Again, I could really customize this though, honestly, like really customize this up if I wanted to. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. So you would just go up here. Oh, sorry. I would put reading journal printable. And then up here, share, download, and transfer this to PDF print, flatten PDF, because we want somebody to be able to take this to their FedEx Kinkos or to their local UPS printing store or wherever and print this out and use it. And the third step for how to create a journal to sell using Canva without using Amazon KDP is to list your printable journal for sale on your own website and start marketing. List your printable journal for sale on your own website and start marketing. The only way we make money is by selling. The only way we can sell without KDP is by selling through our own website. You can't do one without the other. I'd be having back and forth arguments with people in my comment section, and I don't get it. Like, you have to have your own website to sell on. Somebody needs to be able to give you money, and the only way they can do that is through a website. Today, you can literally build a website with AI if you use a platform like Hostinger. You don't have to know any code. Just watch a tutorial and give yourself permission to build your website. Now, that being said, the only way somebody's going to get to your website to purchase your journal is if you tell them that your journal's for sale. So you have to do marketing. The cool thing is that when you are selling printable journals, the marketing is pretty easy because all you have to do is record yourself using your journal pages and post it on social media. That's your marketing. So just commit to every single day recording 3 to 5 shorts, reels, TikToks, whatever platform you want to be on, showing you using your printable and post them with the right hashtags, with the right keywords, with the right trending audio. That's how you're going to make these sales. I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostinger.com. They have sponsored today's video and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostinger.com/godlywoodgirl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month, no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that and type in Godlywood Girl and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godlywood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. And then it's going to land you on the AI website builder. Select the Hostinger website builder. Go ahead and type in your brand name. So I'm going to do reading journals. And in your description, I create printable reading journals that authors can use to track the novels they read. And go ahead and make sure add online store to my site is checked off and then click create a website. And just like that, we have a website. How amazing is this? Like Hostinger makes it for you. It's insane. So we're going to go ahead and click over here, continue. And then the first thing you'll do is be prompted to set up your store. So click over here, add product. Mine is a digital reading journal, so I'll click digital product and then upload your images. What's really cool is that Hostinger will create your product description for you. Like their AI just makes it for you based off your cover. It's really cool. So here is our description. I am going to go ahead and add some additional media. So I want to also add that interior page. They can see a little sneak peek. And you saw you can also do a YouTube video. So I recommend, especially for digital products, record yourself using it and add that in there. It's great. So $10 price point. Then I need to make sure I upload my digital file. I always forget to email that to myself. So just for pretend, I'm just going to use the JPEG, but usually you want to do that PDF that we downloaded here. And I like my download links to be 30 days, and that's it. Click save. And now you're on your products manager. So if you want to create these additional products, because you saw how quick it is, go ahead and just make them. I'm going to just delete these for the sake of time and click delete. So that the only product that's left is mine. Excellent. And then now right up top here, click edit website. And then we're going to go ahead and just edit. So Hostinger is what you see is what you get. So you literally just click on it and modify it. So for example, if I didn't like this, I can just click on it, click edit image, and then click replace image. And I can go to free images and I can select bookcase or type in whatever you really want, right? So this is beautiful. So I'll select this, click add to page, boom, just like that. And then now I want to make sure I connect all my shop buttons. So click edit button, select page, select your reading journal or whatever you created and make sure that's connected. Excellent. So printable reading templates, author tracking journals. So I can connect all of these if I want to, or if you want, you can also just delete as well. Just click and delete, click and delete, click and delete, and then grab this section and just move it up. What you see is what you get. Isn't that so cool? So I do want to add section because I want to make sure that my book is up front. So click online store, select single product, click edit section, select product, and grab your reading journal or whatever your journal is. That's mine. Gorgeous. Okay. And then now, these are our additional products that I don't have. So I'm going to delete. I don't need two areas for this. So I'll just delete that. About us is fine. And then click the shop button, edit button. And again, make sure you click page and link to your products. Mine is here. I don't have testimonials yet, so I'll just delete that for now. And then I always like to get rid of my socials. But if you do have socials, make sure you keep those. So go ahead and click save and go through your pages. Make sure you like them. So this is my shop page. I'm just going to get rid of this testimonial section. I don't have any yet, but when I do, I'll go back and add them. Go to journals. And these are just nice little blog articles that AI created for me. Thank you, AI. Contact page, I recommend you always keep because you want people to be able to give you their email address. And that's it. Look at that. We just made that in like 5 minutes. So go ahead and click preview. Make sure you like your website. So here we go. Just going to scroll down. Easy to use, friendly, clean, professional. Somebody very quickly can start tracking my journal. I'll click back to editor. And once you like everything, you're just going to click save and you're going to click go live. And then your website is ready. You're ready. You're literally ready to start shopping right then and there. You don't have to even wait. You're ready to start shopping. So to get started with your website, go to hostinger.com/godthewoodgirl. Use discount code godthewoodgirl at checkout to take 10% off your entire hosting plan. Now, if you're ready to take the next step with your author business and write your first nonfiction book, your first daily devotional, your first Bible study guided prayer journal, I have an incredible program that I created for you called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, where I show you how to do this step by step. I mean, like full-length video tutorials showing you how to do this from idea all the way to completed book. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God That Would Grow Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God Woman Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you haven't yet started your book business, make sure you watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge, where I'll show you how to build your own author platform step by step. You can go to ChristianBusinessToolkit.com or click the link in the description box of this video. And don't forget to watch this video for even more resources to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there.